Myself, Assistant Professor Hina Gangrekar from Department of Computer Engineering, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. Now we are going to see some software myths. So software myths beliefs about software and the process used to build it. There are different type of myths for your management myths, such as the customer myths and product and practitioners myths. We will see one by one. First one is the management minds. Managers with software responsibility, like managers in most disciplines, are often under pressures to maintain budget, keep schedule from sleeping, and improve quality. Like a drawing person who grasps at a straw, a software manager often grasps at belief in a software minds. So first myth of a software management is we already have a books that full of standards and procedures for building the software. Want that provide my people with everything they need to know. So this is the first myth of your management. Those the reality is the book of standards may very well exist, but it is used as software practitioners aware of its existence? Does it reflect modern software engineering practices? Is it complete? Is it adaptable? It is stimulated to improve time to delivery while still maintaining a focus on a quality. So these all the reality of your first myth. The second myth of your management is if we get behind schedule, we can add more programmers and catch up. So, what is the reality? Software development is not a mechanistic process like manufacturing. Adding people to a late software project makes it later. At first, this a new people are added. People who were working must spend time educating the newcomers, thereby reducing the amount of time spent on productive development efforts. People can added but only in a planned and well coordinated manner. Next myth is if I decide to outsource the software project to a third party, I can just relax and let that firm build it. So this is not correct. The reality is if an organization does not understand how to manage and control software project internally, it will invariably struggle when it outsources software projects. So these are all management myths. So you don't consider these myths and develop a software with good quality. Next one is a customer myths. A customer who requests computer software may be a person at the next desk, a technical group down the hall, the marketing, sales department, or an outside company that has requested software under contract. So, the myths for your customers are a general statement of objectives is sufficient to begin writing programs. We can fill in the details later. The reality is all the comprehensive and stable statement of requirement is not always possible, and ambiguous statements of objective is a recipe for disaster. So unambiguous requirements usually derive illiterally are developed only through effective and continuous communication between customer and the developers. The second why myths of your customers are project requirements continuously change, but change can be easily accommodated because software is flexible. This is the need of your customer. But what is the reality? It is true that software requirements change, but the impact of change varies with the time at which it is introduced. When the requirement changes are requested early, that is before design or coded, it has started, the cost impact is relatively small. But as the time passes, cost impact grows rapidly, resources have been committed, a design framework has been established, and change can cause upheavals that requires additional resources and major design modification. So next one is practitioner minds. That is, once we write the program and get it to work, our job is done. This is by your developer. But what is the reality? The change is someone said that the sooner you begin writing the code, the longer it will take you to get done. Industry data indicates that between 60 and 80% of all the efforts expended on software will be expended after it is delivered to the customer for the first time. This is reality. Next myth is until I get the program running, I have no way of accessing its quality. This myth is also wrong because the reality is one of the most effective software quality assurance and mechanism can be applied from the inception of a project. The formal technical review. Software reviews are a quality filter that have been found to be more effective than testing for finding certain classes of a software errors. Next myth of your practitioner is the only deliverable work product for a successful project is the working program. But the actual is a working program is only one part of a software configuration that includes many elements. Documentation provides a foundation for successful engineering and more importantly guidance for software supports. Next myth for your practitioner is software engineer will make us create voluminous and unnecessary documentation and will invariably slow us down. But the reality is, software engineer is not about creating documents, it is about creating quality. Better quality leads to reduce rework, and reduce reworks result in faster delivery time. So this is what the myths and the reality. Many software professionals recognize the fallacy of software myths. Regrettably, habitual attitude and method foster poor management and technical practices even when reality dictates a better approach. Recognition of software realities is the first step towards formulation of practical solution for the software engineering. So please follow these myths versus reality before developing your softwares. Thank you.